Avellaneda-Stoikov remains the analytical backbone of market making, but its fixed objective is a bottleneck. Static risk appetites and inventory targets fail when regimes shift. We propose an adaptive Avellaneda-Stoikov architecture that preserves the fast HJB structure while enabling zero-shot adaptation. The core is separating dynamics from objectives. We define two low-dimensional vectors. First, the regime vectors IT. This maps the lob state, spread, imbalance, depth, toxicity into local AS parameters, volatility, arrival intensities, and decay rates. Second, the adaptive objective vector, ZT. This is inferred from data. We use a backward representation on a rolling window of realized rewards. We project markout returns onto a feature space, phi, which includes wealth changes, next inventory, squared inventory, and adverse selection. We estimate ZT via ridge regression. ZT hat equals CT plus lambda I inverse UT. This vector dynamically encodes implied inventory targets and penalties. The policy uses the HJB-forward representation. We compute a successor-feature map, FHJB, representing expected future feature occupancy under as dynamics. The scalar action value is the inner product, QZ equals FHJB transpose ZT. This produces closed-form quotes. The bid-ask distances keep the classic as decomposition, liquidity term, inventory continuation value, and adverse selection correction. But the continuation value HT, Q equals UZT transpose ZT, is now objective dependent. If Z, T shifts toward a long target, the continuation value of increasing inventory rises, shrinking the bid distance and increasing aggressiveness. If toxicity increases, the cost parameter C, B pushes the bid out. Backtests on BTCUSDT lob data show this rolling FBAS, HJB, outperforms fixed GLFT and AS baselines. We see positive returns, drastically reduced drawdown, and less overtrading. The adaptive objective acts as a dynamic filter against noise. This framework bridges analytical market making with representation-based RL. Zero-shot, interpretable, and robust. Full math and proofs in the paper.